welcome to the club, Nick. It's great to have you on board, and I think all Bay fans were really pleased with your signing. How did Steve sell the move here to you, and what are your expectations for this season?
Well, he didn't have to sell much to me because I knew quite a lot about the club from other people in and around the club, so it was quite an easy sell for him to get me to come and join, so I was quite happy with that. As for expectations, I think the priority's got to be stay in the league to start with, and then if we can get a good start and we can kick on from there.
Great stuff, yeah. You've got bags of Welsh Prem experience. What do you think are going to be the biggest challenges for Bay this season as the first season in the Prem?
There will be challenges, but there's nothing they've done last year. I'm sure they'll come into this league and we'll kick on from what they did last year. So just got to play with confidence and we'll do well.
Okay. Do you know any of the Bay players? I noticed that Rye Edwards was at Newtown with you, and I've noticed that you've been on Twitter and you're friends with Sam Hart.
Yeah, I played with a couple of them. I've played with Ryan and played with Steph for a little bit at Newtown. I know a few of the players that I played against, so I'll know them quite well when I come in. And obviously Sam Hart I've known all my life, so it'll be my first time playing with him since we're age of 9, so that'll be a new experience for us. Yeah,
Sam's a real character.
Yeah, I can't wait for him to shout at
me. What are your goals for this season as a player?
I always set me a target of 8 for 10 goals from obviously attack midfield, so I've set me a target for 10 goals, but I think I only need 14 to make 100 goals for the league, so
I'll get the graphics ready.
I'd love to get that for this year, but it'll be a challenge, but that's my target.
Okay, and what are your first impressions of the club, the ground, the management team, and the setup here?
It's going to be one of the best stands in the ground in the league, so I think there'll be a good atmosphere every week. The fans will really get behind us, so I'm looking forward to playing on the pitch in front of the fans.
Okay. If you could pick any player to play alongside in centre midfield, who would it be?
Any player?
Any player, any league, any nationality. Your best centre midfield partner.
I'll look at the league this year from the Premier League, and the way Odegaard's been playing and stuff like that, that's what I would do. But in our league, I couldn't really pick one. A couple of TNS players maybe.
Odegaard's been good this season.
He's been very good, yeah. It's good to watch.
And finally, thanks very much for your time. And have you got a message for the Bay fans?
Just get behind the lads, and I'm sure we'll do well this year.
That's great. Thanks very much, and good luck for the season.
Cheers. Appreciate it.